In primetime news this evening, no environmental assessment needed. NEPA gives update on proposed hotel expansion in Montego Bay, St. James. JUTC feeling the pinch of increased fuel costs. And search continues for man who fell off a cargo ship at Kingston Wharf. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views, what are your thoughts rather, on the, well, that should be, do you believe paternity leave will have a positive impact on a child's development? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.